Hey guys, welcome back to Route 66 Restoration. Thanks for taking time to watch. But back on the post, 8-pillar post here, you can see this patch is in. I got some gas, so I welded her in good. But also then today the project's been working on this right here, putting this patch in on this corner. So I'm making it in pieces. I made this piece here. We got it all tacked in. That was all rotten, and then it's down on the bottom. Let's see if I can get it here. That's down there. It's kind of ripe, so I'm gonna cut one for there. We'll join them, a little extra weld in this area here, and then once we'll grind it. Grind it to a radius. But this only see it goes. It has to go up here. Fill in that hole, see that hole right here that you're looking at. So sorry for the shaky camera work, but it's hard to get these angles in here. But I think she looks pretty good so far. I'm happy with it, and this repair should be strong. And also there's a piece on the inside of here that follows underneath this, and that's I think why it rots out as double layered. So I did put a piece in there. I didn't put it right tight like the other one was to this. I actually made kind of bridged it at a bit of an angle in there. But it's, I think it'll be plenty strong. Put some strength back in that A-pillar. Not everything's rotted off anymore. So, now it's just time to make this piece down here. So, take it easy, guys. Well, I got this bottom side welded in on the outside. I still have the inside to do, but that's, as you can see, that's where that patch goes in, covered up that hole I had right there, and just grind her down now.